Gentlemen, let me start with something most men never really get told. There is not one correct way to touch a woman. And it is not just about her body reacting. Certain parts of her body respond emotionally first, way before anything physical shows up. Most men only recognize a few of these areas, 2, maybe 3. And even then, it is usually guesswork. No complicated theories, no promises. Just what psychology, brain science, and real experience keep confirming. Before we go further, let me ask you something simple. Do you honestly know where and how your partner wants to be touched? I am not talking about the obvious places most men think of. I am talking about the touches that make her feel emotionally understood first. The kind that land before her body even reacts. A lot of men tell me, I know her really well. Then I ask this question, and usually there is a pause. That silence is not lack of care. It is because nobody explains this properly. There is no guidebook, and many women feel these needs strongly but do not spell them out. Instead, they communicate quietly, through posture, through eye contact, through small signals that often get missed. Today, I want to talk about 5 zones. These are not just body parts. Think of them as emotional access points. If you understand them, and more importantly, how to approach them, something shifts. Your touch stops feeling automatic. It starts feeling intentional. After years of working with couples, one thing keeps coming up. Most men rely on instinct. They think touching the right place creates the right reaction. For women, it rarely works that way. Pleasure does not start mechanically. It starts with emotional safety. Many men believe they are doing things right, but from her side, the contact can feel rushed or disconnected. You may have wondered why she does not respond like she used to, why things feel different now. The answer is not complicated. What feels obvious to men often. Zone number 1. The hands. This is where many men underestimate the impact. A woman's hands are closely tied to her emotional system. Holding them slowly, calmly, without distraction. That alone can create connection. Light movement across her fingers, steady warmth in the palm. It communicates safety. I have seen couples who still hold hands after decades together, maintain deeper emotional closeness. That is not accidental. Touching hands releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. One detail men often miss: hands matter. Clean, warm, taken care of. Several women have said neglected hands kill the moment instantly. Zone number 2. The back of the neck near the hairline. This area holds tension without us realizing it. When touched slowly with no expectation, the body often softens. This is not stimulation. It is calming. It builds trust. I remember a man in his late 50s who felt unseen in his marriage. One evening, with no plan, he gently placed his hand on his wife's neck while she looked out the window. She paused. She breathed out. Then she turned toward him. Something reopened. Zone number 3. The lower back between the waist and hips. This area signals grounding. When your hands rest there gently, not gripping, not controlling, the message is clear. I am here. You are safe. This works best in everyday moments. Morning kitchen, quiet spaces, no talking needed. Number 7. The lower abdomen near the navel. This one surprises many people. This area connects instinct and emotion. It requires sincerity. No rush, no agenda. When a woman allows this, she is opening more than her body. She is opening her inner world. Why do these zones work? Because women process touch emotionally and neurologically. Research shows female skin receptors are more sensitive, and these areas trigger oxytocin release. These are not pleasure buttons, they are safety signals. Practical advice: slow down, watch her response. Use these touches in normal moments. Stay present, be consistent. One man told me recently, I don't know what changed, but she feels closer. That is the point. Women do not always explain the shift. They feel it. These 5 zones are not tricks. They are doors. Each time you approach them with care, you are saying, I see you, I respect you, you matter. That is what most women want. not pressure, not performance connection, and it is never too late to start again. Sometimes one intentional touch is enough to change everything.